What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Matt's Market. Thank y'all very much for tuning in. We'll give everybody a few minutes to get in here, and then we'll be rocking, doing some TA on Dogecoin, talking about some Shiba Inu on the charts, and then possibly looking at some crypto mining stocks for tomorrow. So we'll give everybody a few minutes here to load in here, and then we'll be off and cooking. Just about done setting everything up, guys. Alright, what's up, guys? What's up, Bear? Blue Skylar? Hey, good to see you in the chat. I haven't seen you in a while. What's up, Mr. Rick? D-Grade? How's everybody doing tonight? We back on camera. We got that back up and rocking. Blue's saying I actually bought some Shiba last week. I have about 1.5 million Shiba. Doge has been holding strong. Yes, the only thing on Shiba right now, guys, I'm a little concerned about is that little bear flag we got forming right here. So we hit that. Oh, that's Bitcoin. Hold on. Another thing, Bitcoin right there, that bear flag. It's a big close above 60K for tonight. If we do get it, that is still bullish, but we were talking last week we closed at 60K, so we really want to see, I think if we see a close on Bitcoin above 60K tonight, it could possibly move it up quite a bit. So music too loud. Gotcha, man. See if that's see if that's better, man. So this little bear flag we got forming on Bitcoin right here is not what we want to see, even though it is bouncing off that 200 exponential moving average off the 1 minute chart. Let's check the 5 minute. 5 minute got the 50 hooking hard over that 200, so that's looking pretty good. Let's check that 4 hour. 4 hour we got a little bearish on the 4 hour. We got that 14 moving average, underneath that 50. We'd like to see that start to hook, and that RSI is starting to hook right here. So we'll see what happens right there. What's up, RW? Just bum. What's up, y'all? Let's see Shiba. Yeah, Shiba looking pretty decent off the 4 hour. Can't argue with it. Ooh, man. I think this was around that Elon tweet. Regardless, though, everything kind of has had a pretty big sell-off right there. $18.10. See what you're saying. If it pops, that would be more great. If it tanks later, I'm all good. Hey, Doge is surging right now. I could pop some pretty decent freaking lines on Dogecoin right here. That looks really decent. So let me go ahead and pop some little trend lines right here. Could have a what might be a little ascending wedge right here. Looking for a break above that 27. That's our major level we need to get over, and she's pumping right now. So does not look bad at all off the 5-minute chart. Let's check that 1-minute chart. Yeah, Doge is pumping right here off the 1 minute. Got that break over this top right here, so it's really starting to move now. We're pushing some tops around 2677, possibly heading for that 27 retest. We still got to get over this top right here, which is 2683. Possible rejection point from this run up right here, guys, so we need to watch it. Currently on Shiba, just breaking to the downside. So it is having some sell-off since that top we've hit last night at 45.08. Having some real hard sell-off. So waiting to see if we hold support around 35. Almost $500 million Shiba and holding long term. If it hits 0002, I'll be happy. So what's up, RW? What's up, Alex? How you doing, man? I got into a coin called BAT. It just got a brave platform. Got in at 68. Let me know what you think in TA if you get a chance. Yeah, we'll check it out, man. 100% check it out. Look at Doge pumping, baby. 2694. Holy crap. Doge is pumping. Let's see if we go back 2683 to get that retest right there. Most of the time when you get that breakthrough, you go back to retest it. But Doge looking extremely strong. Look, Shiba selling off hard right here. 3625. I think people are taking profits in between the two. Just my opinion. Yeah, Shiba selling hard. Probably get that retest of 3.5 right here. Give me a second bear after Doge keeps pumping right here. See if we hit that 27, which is most likely we're going to hit 27 right here. I'll take a look at BAT coin for you. Look at Doge. Let's go, Doge. Let's go, Dogecoin. Let's get on up there. 2695. Are we going to get the 27 retest right here? That RSI is popping. 81 out the screen. Shiba looking to get a bounce right here at that 3.6 level. So right at that level of support. 3.625, we getting that bounce. Yeah, I really want to see Doge continue. I want to see it get above 27 cents right here and look to consolidate for quite some time. For a day or two. We're looking for that break. That ascending triangle, and the sooner you break to either side, the more strong it is. Like break to the up would be a stronger case for the bulls. Break to the downside would be, better for the bears. But it is getting some strong buying pressure off this bounce off that 50. So we're pretty much bouncing off the 50, guys. That is not a bad sign at all. That's what Ethereum did when it ran all the way up from 2,200 to friggin' where it's sitting now. It basically bounced off that 50 forever. Cardano did the same thing on the run up for $3. Shiba retesting that 3625 level once again. If you guys are keeping up in the Discord, I'll let everybody know I'm pretty much out of Shiba for right now. I did make a good sell point on it, and I ended up hopping out. BAT is good. You can earn more BAT using Brave browser. Bear, do you have the browser? What's up, OMG? How you doing? Yeah, lots of selling pressure right here off of the Shiba. Last couple 5-minute candles, 38 on the RSI right there. 30-minute RSI is definitely oversold. So selling pressure stepping into Shiba. Buying pressure hopping into Doge. Here we go, 26.93. Will we start pushing the top right here? Nice bull flag. Kind of doing what Shiba did last night. Bull flag, pop up. Let's see if we can break over here right at 27. That'd be what's up. What's up, KC? What's up, Big Cadillac? Good to see you in the chat, my friend. Oh, you got it on Coinbase? I know what you're going to use from now on. I know which browser you're going to have. Yeah, maybe. Brave hasn't been giving me ads lately. That's good. 2683 is that level we want to hold up on Doge. 3625, we're underneath it right here on Shiba. So, yes, you can buy it too, but you can also earn DAT by watching some little ads on the Brave browser. Oh, awesome. Got you cranked in one headphone here over this wedding band. That's what's up, man. My dude's working tonight, man. Hope you have a good night out there, Ben Cadillac. Music is a bit loud. I can take care of that. Do a quick mic check. All right. Hopefully that's better for you, Rick. And I know Bear said it was kind of loud too. I can crank it down right here. Let's see if that fixed it. All right, I just got $100 worth more of SHIB, equal 275.5 million. That dude's buying the dip right here. Good little bounce opportunity right there, man. You could be able to play that back up to 3.7 up here and see if we end up getting a break and start working our way. But it is starting to look at that 30-minute chart. We're starting to hunch over right here. So ever since we hit that high this morning, man, I wasn't on the stream when it happened, but I came back for the 42, I believe it was. And, man, it was fun. Last night was super, super fun, guys. Whether it's Shiba, Doge, whatever, I had fun coming out here and streaming. The all-time high last night. Definitely going to clip that. I'm going to clip a bunch of the all-time highs we streamed over here. But we kind of hunched over. Did hit that drop of 3.2 all the way back to 3.2. So it's not turning around quite yet. You're not breaking these tops. You got rejected right here at 4000. At 14's hooking down. We'll have to see how low we go. We got support within this area, but we need to hold it for Shiba Inu. What's up, Invu? What's happening, my dude? Oh, I got you, Ben Cadillac. So Doge looking for a bounce right here. Bitcoin big day. We needed to close above 60K for the weekly. Then we got one more weekly close next week, which will end out the first month of the last quarter of the year. So we're still sitting at the same price we were last week on Bitcoin for the close, 60K, and we ran to 67. So we'll see what happens. We need this 60K close though. Worth Miller time, he said Doge is definitely going to 19 5 times last night. D-Grade, did you sell? Let me know if you sold, man. Yes, I know Invu V-Chain is looking very hot right now. That is on my radar. I encourage everybody to please look at D-Chain as well. I think it's set up for some pretty nice moves. Yeah, it is right now. Doge is breaking to the top side of that ascending triangle. We still got to get over that 27, man. That's going to be the big test to really break us through. That's what I'm really hoping for. See, we're still in that little bit of ascending triangle right here. Didn't quite get that break to the up yet, but it is coming, my friend. Still have some time. We could come back down. That's no big deal. On the way back down, probably around 26.32, you'll get a bounce and then continue working your way up this triangle until we get a break to either side. So, yeah, a few times I'm going to swing trade it. Oh, so you did get out? Awesome, man. But you are making those higher lows and higher highs, so we are in a ascending level of support for Doge. So as of right now, no real reason to be bearish on Dogecoin right now. It is absolutely looking beautiful off the charts. I mean, look at this 30-minute chart. That looks freaking amazing. That break above 27 would just really put us in a spot to where we can chill out, consolidate for a little bit, and then get ready to keep moving on up, guys. ADA is not lagging. It is stable at 212. And that's what ADA has pretty much been doing to us, guys. 208 to 215. So we'll see if we kind of pull back to that 208 range. Ethereum dipping below 4,100 here on the day. Litecoin having a little bit of sell-off today, down just about 3.5%. Bitcoin down almost 1%. While Dogecoin is ripping and rocking, guys, up 6.2%. Shiba's still killing it. Even though it's having a major pullback, it is still up 7.3% on the day. So can't hate on it. As of right now, it's just, I think we need to find support and trade sideways. You could possibly ride this for a bounce right here back to maybe 4.0, 3.9, somewhere within that range to see if you get rejected. That would be a pretty cool little play, I think. I think you'd be pretty safe. I think 3.9, you could definitely ride it back to. It's going to get a bounce here. I'm thinking of that little bouncy ball effect. You know, it hits the ground, pops up real high, comes back down, going to bounce up. Not quite as high. You might be able to ride it back to 4.1. We'll see what happens with the charts. If we keep getting this type of sell-off, though, 30-minute charts green right here on the last candle. So looks like we're trying to bounce right here, but if we can't get over that 3.681 level, you might get rejected and come back down. You want to start breaking these tops and get back above that level of resistance right now. I had a couple of 100 on Shiba from last night and sold this afternoon. That was cool. What's up, JR Blanco? Making some tendies off that Shiba, man. Making some tendies, dude. All you have to do for Boom is say you're going to bed. Yeah, that worked. That definitely worked. As soon as I said I was going to bed, it rocked. And then as soon as I went to bed, it actually went up. So just what happens over here. Doge looking towards 40 cents. Yeah, I think it'll be 40 cents sometime between now and mid-November. We talked about that the other night. There'd be a possible day where everything's pretty stagnant and sideways. Doge would be up a considerable amount. It was up 6-7%. Now up 5.6. I'm still waiting for a big move on Doge one day, 15-20% in one single day. I do think that's coming soon. I got in September, but definitely holding my bet. Yeah, I would be too right now. Big Cadillac. D-Chain has a lot of momentum behind it. Only got in, let me see. We need that flubber ball bounce. You already know, Bear. We need that bounce, man. That light's way too bright, man. Whoa. Kimpu got some diamond hands, he's saying. D-Grade, please go back to bed. See, so now Shiba's moving up, Doge is coming down. Unless you got some really experienced day traders. I don't know. Hard to say what's happening, really. If people are taking profits here, moving it to Doge. People took profits on Doge, moved it back to Shiba. The Doge coins rule the market right now. Dropped under 20 several times last month. There was plenty of buying opportunities. Yeah, we've been preaching that, clown baby. I think you've been here for the past month, man. Dude, we preach those buying the dips, man. Buying the freaking dips. That's exactly why you buy the dips. You were sitting at 16 cents. You're now sitting at 26.55. That's what it's about, man. What's up, Prophet? Yes, I'm on a little early tonight, man. I got the family coming back from vacation. So when they do get here, I haven't seen the little ones all week, so I'm going to be spending some time with them. But I want to hop on with the fam and talk to y'all, see how y'all feeling about Shiba. I know it took a little bit of a nosedive today after that high of 45. But nonetheless, we have Bear. He just bought some in the chat. Might look like a pretty good buying opportunity right there. Bear, I think you can ride that thing back up. You are currently getting rejected off of that 3680 level of resistance, which we have drawn there. Just be careful with it. Pretty much, you see, you come down hard, you get that little bouncy ball effect. You came from the top, ran down, popped back up, but not as high as this one. So you came back down real hard. You'll probably pop back up, but maybe somewhere within this range, 3.7 to 3.8. Maybe 3.7. If you don't start getting that break, you could dip a little bit lower, possibly a 3.5, somewhere mid 3.5 range. So just be careful with it, bro. Eat the dip, baby. And S, what's happening, man? Doge is back, and it feels good, man. Oh yeah, they already know what time it is, man. I haven't seen them all week, so. Well, it was cool in the beginning, but yeah, the house feels pretty empty, guys. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Yeah, it was. Yeah, Prophet. It was cool when they first left, but then only so much you can do, man. Start feeling like weird in a way, like nobody's here. So I'm gonna chill with them when they get back, watch a little movie and stuff. Prophet, how's your sub count doing, man? Hopefully you gaining some subbies on your way to 1K, my man. So crypto mining stocks probably won't be so hot tomorrow. There might be a little red on the day. We'll have to see what's going on. 60K on Bitcoin right now. Close above it. That's what we need for the weekly. I think if we get that close, possibly toward the start of a new day, which is tonight Central Time is 11 o'clock my time, we could get a little bump to 62. So while Doge is sitting at 26.50, I like it. The altcoins are hanging in there. Bitcoin's going to start to work its way up, hopefully. If we get that close, I think we'll see 62.63 on Bitcoin if we do get the close tonight. So if that happens, I think the altcoins will continue to move up, especially with Doge. Doge back 26.50. 27 rejection, guys. Just be like, if you have your own charts, I really suggest practice drawing your little ascending level right here, because if I'm not available and I'm not seeing it on the chart or letting y'all know in the Discord, that would be a selling point. You could possibly buy back in a little bit cheaper if that's what you're looking to do. I'm personally gonna hold it, but if you dip out, you could possibly head back to 25, 24 and a half again. Start seeing those types of numbers. But a break above 27 is what we are looking for. That could be super bullish. And I think it's going to happen here. Just the way the charts line up. I think you start pushing. I think it could bump us up to 29, somewhere around 29 once we get this break. This would be the third retest right here. You can see we had one back in October 6th. Retest, boom. But look at what I'm talking about. Like when I say, oh, I got to put that back at 27. I grabbed it. So the only reason I'm bringing up possibly selling out is if you're looking to do that, look at that hard rejection off of 27. You pulled back all the way to 21 cents off of Doge. That's a big retracement. let's see what happened here. See right here, you didn't quite pull back as much, 23 cents from 27. So a pullback here might bring us back to 25, you know, but we are gearing up to retest this and break it. It might not be the third time. If it's not the third, it might be the fourth time. So while I do expect it to break at some point in the near future, possibly this week, if you get rejected at 27, I'm just saying you possibly buy back in at 25. That's all I'm saying. So just pay attention to the charts, my friends. So you can see right here, 2695, already checking a little bit of rejection, getting that bounce at 2650. Doge does like those even numbers across the board. So 2650, 2625, you know, you'll catch some support, and then ultimately, you know, 26. Yeah, we got a lot of support right here. So we haven't went back to touch that ascending level yet, but it's looking good, looking real good. Look at Shiba. So Bear, there you go, man. 37. Now is the time for you to be watching it, my friend, because you just bought some. A rejection point at some point right here. If you can break over 3727, you're golden, my friend. You could possibly ride that thing up to 3750, and then after that 38. So be looking for a little rejection right here. This is the critical point. If you break these tops or you consolidate within this range, great. But if you start seeing that hard sell-off and then you're going back and retouching that 14, to me it looks like you might get the break. That 14 exponential moving average is hooking right now. It's getting a pretty solid hook. So I expect this to continue and you to stay above that 3.7 range. Bear, when you just bought, man, what price did you get in at, if you don't mind me asking? D-Gray. Yeah, OMG, you're 100% right. Let's plan that for tomorrow, guys. So if y'all don't have nothing going on, let's hold a little Discord meeting. We need to be more active in there, and a lot of that's my fault. I've been super busy, but we'll have a Discord meeting tomorrow night. We'll try to schedule it, you know, 7:30 p.m. Central, if that's cool with y'all. I'll put out a notice right after we hop off the stream. 353, awesome profit, awesome, man. Bear saying buy the red, sell the green. Uh-oh, let me see what happened. Did I just lose audio? Okay, no. There we go. If my wife leaves for a trip or something in the house, just loses all energy and it's too quiet. Felt the same way when yeah, man. Yeah, I had pizza boxes too, man. That's funny. Shiba for LTC and BTC. You sold your Shiba. Hey, I took my profits from Shiba. I made a good trade, man. I took profits at Shiba at 4.2 or 4.1, wherever it got triggered at, and I bought into Doge, and Doge is up 6% today. I'm happy with it. I'm extremely happy with it. And then I was buying within this range right here. Today I bought, and looking pretty hot. Looking pretty freaking good, my friends. Doge is right back on track. I'm not saying this is the ultimate top for the future for Shiba Inu, but as of right now, you're not having this clear, healthy growth. You're having selling off, and pretty good selling off. I mean, you popped right back up. Tried to consolidate, broke to the downside, broke to the downside, broke to the downside. Those wicks are getting a little bit longer right here. This little hump right here. So you might be trying to turn around right here. That would be your best case scenario. Looks a little similar to what you're seeing right here. So came all the way up to 3.9, got rejected back to 3.7. This would be a little bit better. So after you do have that big dip, you try to work your way. It could work its way back up. I'm not saying it's over with. It's just looking way more bearish than what it was after we hit that all-time high. So just be careful with it. Doge chart is looking a lot more healthier. Just being honest with you, from what I'm seeing. 30-minute chart. Let's check the 30-minute chart. Yeah, so just Doge is looking a lot healthier at this moment, guys. Maybe that's a good bounce point somewhere within this range, and you start working your way back up. maybe form a big cup and handle right here and take off again. But you're possibly looking 25 into tomorrow. Tomorrow you'll know a lot more what the price of Shiba is going to do. You're going to try to find support and consolidate and then figure out where you're heading next. That's honestly what I think is about to happen with Shiba. Pop up that 1 minute chart here. What's up, S Hall? Good to see you, man. JR Blanco Discord link. I'll post it for you right now, my friend. Posting it for you right now, my dude. So there's the 100% free Discord for anybody who wants to join up with us. Love to have you there. All right. I bet you that Robinhood is trying to pick up Sheeb, buy up the Sheeb. Could be possible, man. That might have caused this big spike that you're seeing. You know, it damn well could have caused it. I'm just being honest with you. What's up, Pearl? Good to see you, my man. Thank you for tuning in for another episode of Mass Market, man. That's a theory I didn't think about right there, man. That is definitely 100% possible, man. That could be causing a big pump on Sheeb. Watch DWAC on Monday. That is one of the hot stocks we need to pay attention to, as including Fun. BENE, we want to watch. Those all big runners from Friday could continue on until next week. So right now, we want Bitcoin to close tonight at midnight above 60K to have a continuation where we're at. Let's pull up Bitcoin on the weekly, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So you're pretty much right back to where you closed that weekly at. You had this big long candle come all the way back down, and then it's starting to turn red right here. So we want to see a close right here and then a continuation to work its way up. So the past couple weeks has been up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down. So you get the picture. We want this thing to close above 60K right here to have a continuation of this bull cycle that we're seeing on Bitcoin. We want the bulls to stay in control, and a close above 60 would help that fight over here. But here's why I'm kind of thinking too, why everything else will continue running for the rest of the year, is all these hedge funds and investment groups, they have to post returns for their clients at the end of the year. So I do think they're going to be pumping quite a bit of money into the markets, you know, getting those returns for their investors before all this is said and done. So I do think the price of Bitcoin is going to move significantly higher. And same thing to be said with Doge. Now, Solana is a different story, guys. I think Solana is still a good buy at 200. Just the way it's been moving, the market cap just crossed XRP. It's continuing to grow and grow and grow. And the fees, if you hate fees as much as I do and you hate Ethereum fees, Solana is the way to go right now. And it is gaining steam fast on Ethereum. And it could possibly be, crossing Tether here shortly, pushing up on ADA's heels. So we need to watch Solana very, very closely. That thing could be popping to 3, 4, possibly 500 bucks this year. And I do think that will happen as well, my friends. So Solana, I'm still marking as a pretty good buy at 203. We told you at 167 the other night, sitting at 203. I still think it's a great buy right now. So have it on your radar, guys. I would be dollar cost averaging in. I would not just load the boat at 203. I would just, pick up one. Maybe next week when you get paid, pick up another one if you could. I do think you'll see good returns on that investment as well. Let's see what you're saying. You doing any more live streams? Let me know so I can plug accordingly to post news. Yeah, man, I would definitely let you know, Bear. I appreciate you the other day too, man. What's the DXY chart look like, Matt? I feel it's ready to pop up, and a big factor if crypto goes up or down. Let's check it out, man. So right now the dollar's down a little bit, 93.63. Let's see the chart. So US dollar index right here, guys, it is looking like it could be due for a bounce shortly, man. We'll have to see what happens, but it is down a little bit on the day. Six-month, year-to-date is working its way back up from way down here. It might be due for a little bounce. It could go a little bit lower, though. We'll have to see what happens with it, man. I think it'll go a little bit lower. Yeah, for sure. I feel like Solana's going to take Binance's spot in the near future. Man, Solana is definitely looking great, guys. I would not be telling y'all that if I didn't think so. I really think Solana is still a great play. I hope a lot of y'all did hear me when I told y'all 67 bucks. I was like, man, y'all buy you some Solana. Well, I said it's not financial advice, but I was telling people 67 bucks on Solana look good. And if you bought that, man, you're sitting up great right now. Way up on AMC. That's what's up, Clown Baby. The hedge funds will use every trick in the book. Psychological warfare at this point. Yeah, I feel like AMC, they're trying to wait y'all out, man. It's been a ride. Trying to bore y'all to death. Shorts haven't covered. It's simple. Yeah, I mean, you might have had some cover on that run up to 74. But no, I think the majority haven't, man. What's up, Keller C? How you doing, man? Good to see you back in the chat. It's been, yeah, that's what I'm saying. It could bounce pretty soon, man. I think it might go down a little bit more before looking for a bounce, so we'll have to see, man. 27, yeah, it's definitely looking good, Bear. I do think we'll hit that 27 mark. The only thing is another rejection. To have a pullback like the other rejections, it would break us to the downside, which I do not want to see, man. I want to see Doge continue to work its way up and break 27 and consolidate somewhere around 27.30, 27.50. You know, underneath 27.50 would be beautiful, beautiful for the future price of Dogecoin. 27.01 just got the retest right there, guys. Big moment for Doge. Is this a break we've been waiting for? Let's go, Doge. Let's go, Doge. Let's get it. Let's get it. Guys, give me 1 second. All right, sorry about that. 27.15, let's go, baby. Let's get it. I bought most of it at 135. Not early, but still I'm up. Hell yeah, Psycho Pearl. So Doge is having some pullback right here. Let's see what happens. That's it, Clown Baby. I'm gonna set that level there. Well, let's just, for the most part, Hall, let's just hope it goes up, man. It's still holding up strong. Even GameStop's holding up strong. Let's hope AMC does go up for the people that are holding it, man. RW says, freaking love this channel. No hype. Good follow with crypto-related Louisiana style. Just needed some Abita and crawfish, and we set. Thank you, RW, for that. Appreciate it, man. D-grade. Yeah, I had to dispose of it. So right now, getting that little pump again, moving some tops around. Let's keep going. Hang above 27. You could have a pretty nice little pump right here if you do get that clean break. I'd have to go back pretty far to see where we're actually sitting at. 4 hour. I mean, there's not too much in the way between that and 28. Not much in the way at all. 2721. What's up, Turbo Fireman? Look at Doge making that power move. That's it, my man. Thanks for tuning back in another episode of Mass Market, dude. Yeah, like S-Hall, man, I'm mainly on the sideline for AMC too as well, man. You know, I was preaching AMC at $7. You know, when time came, I had to take some profits, man. Just the way it goes. I hope AMC moons. I hope it does what, you know, what I still believe I think it could do. We'll just have to wait that one out and see. But I am watching from the sidelines for the most part right now. D. Gray says it's only fried rice. No, it's all good, y'all. It's all good, man. I hope AMC rips for you, clown baby. BITF, dude. Let's check out some BITF. Every time I do that, I would like to see BITF at 18 bucks. That's what I'm hoping for, man. $5 on the Doji. Hey, we saw ADA at 25 cents. That's all I'm saying, man. Bitfarms 525. Let me pop this up because Shiba's not doing too much. So Bitfarms, not looking too bad, dude. Not looking too bad off that minute chart. Working its way back up. We need Bitcoin to really do its thing to start moving back to the top end of that channel. But you can see that support we put at 515 was pretty good. Even put some at 512. I'm gonna move that down to 508. If it'll let me. It's not letting me take it off. Oh well. 508 pretty much pretty good support right there, and then, you know, 510, somewhere within that range. So I'd be holding it right here. I think you could climb your way back up. But that 545 range is going to be pretty tough. I don't know where you at. Again, clown baby, I forgot your average, but be on the lookout for that. HUT 8. HUT 8 mining looking the exact same. So all these are following Bitcoin right now. HUT was one we've been talking about since a while now. Hit a high of $13.19 on the 20th. And then, you know, a couple days later, where we're sitting at right now, $11.19 right here. So, you know, still got resistance at, I would say, 1146, 1150. Even though that didn't quite, we hit 1140 and got rejected, and then almost hit it again right there. So I'll be watching HUT tomorrow pre-market, see if it's doing anything. We need to touch points on DWAC. Digital World. Go over them charts. So this thing has came back down. It has found support, and it's trying really hard to consolidate right here. Got a little bit of a downward trend, but gave you a little glimpse of hope on Friday afternoon. So currently sitting, closed at 94. It's all the way down to 80 on the halt. Wait, what? 86.5. Let's go to 1 minute. Hold on 1 second. Something isn't right. Chart settings. Show extended hours. There we go. So had some selling off extended hours. I don't know why it says halt. I didn't think they could halt you in extended hours. But regardless, 79 bucks right here. Hit that low and is having a bit of a bounce. So we can put 79 right here. 79 as support, 82 as resistance for technical breakout level. 82.80. I'm not gonna get it perfect. Somewhere within that range. So you get the gist of it. If we can get over that 50 exponential, we'll easily pop back up to 82. Expect the volume on this thing to be absolutely crazy. Kind of what we saw on Friday. I'm expecting that pre-market. So these levels don't mean shit right here. That could blow right past it, and it could work its way back up to 82. Next level after that is 86. I'm fully expecting it to have some pretty good momentum heading into tomorrow. So after 86, 90, then after that 95, and then 100. You get the picture. It'll be $5 increments after that. But I'm expecting DWAC to continue the volume we were seeing last week. I think it was Friday. Lots of people taking profits. Those same people taking profits are going to be looking to buy back in here and pump it back up. I've seen it time and time again. So worst case scenario, let's get back to the 4 hour right here. Find a good entry. Nah, I can't. That's why I've been doing it right there. A break to the downside could get a little ugly. You could possibly see 50 bucks. 50, 58, and then 65. So straight out the gate, you know, anything red, I would hold off. That 50 exponential is going to be support. 72 bucks. You might possibly see out the gate pre-markets dip to 72 and then a bounce up. So that would look very good. Look at Doge, guys. I'm sitting here running my mouth about DWAC. Doge is ripping. Not much in the way between 28 cents. So we talked about that a few minutes ago, and it is reacting, pushing those tops around right now. BAT 70, I'm in the green. Oh, I'm sorry, Bear. I completely forgot about it, my dude. Give me a few seconds, man. I will pull up that next. Smart contracts in the chain. $5 Doge. 40.32. Pearl says Harmony is on the road to 40 cents. I like it. Yeah, I like a lot of those one cent cryptos because they move to 2 cents. That's 100% right there, man. Really easy to play them. Refresh it should remove the halt. Yeah, I don't know why it's halted, but I'll check it out here. Yeah, I've heard of Savvy, man. You told me about him. Clown Baby says I'm up 37% on Doge. SL says I'm up 23K. Let's make these profits, guys. Let's keep it pumping. I would like to see us stay above that 27 and we golden. And I kind of thought it was gonna I thought we were gonna get the break. I was looking at the charts before I came on. I don't know if y'all heard me mention that, but I was saying let's get that break over 27 and consolidate underneath 27.50, somewhere within that range. And it's looking pretty good right now. Matt, do you $100? You okay to lose? So, oh man, I got quite a bit of vet, man. I got 2,000 or 3,000 in vet. So I'm set in my V chain right now, man. Look at that on Coin Codex. Yeah, let's check it out, man. Doge is still pushing top. Looks like it's about to push some more tops around. Let me look up that bat real quick. Search it. I'm still getting familiar with Crypto Coindex, man. There it is. Pushing them tops around, baby. 2779. $2,782. Boom, baby. Let's go, Doge. Doge is making some money for people right now. $2,789, $2,791. Let me see. I don't see it on Coin Codex, man. Is that the basic attention token? Yeah, I like that Coindex charts. I like that setup too. 2796, 28 right here. We need to pop that line real quick. Let's go 28. Let's effing go. 28. There we go. Big moment, 2802. Doge is pumping, baby. Let's go. Let's get these tendies. Come on, Doge. Come on, Doge. Come on, Doge. Getting a little rejection. That's okay, guys. We just had a major run up. Let's see what the next 1 minute candle does. We just had a massive run up on Doge. Next candle turning green. Let's get it. Yeah, I think it's heading back toward 35. It's just working its way. 35 is going to be a big level for Doge. Big level, my friends. There we go. Retesting that 2.8. Let's get the continuation, 2809. Let's pump it, baby. 2814. 2816. I saw it. That's what I'm saying, guys. That 27, when you're looking at the charts, and guys, if anybody wants some basic classes on the charts, that's what we're going to talk about tomorrow in the Discord too as well. That's how I saw that 27. Not much in between 28, guys, and that's how you can kind of predict these run-ups and get some nice buy and swing trade opportunities going on. Not much. 28, 22. Doge is pumping, baby. Up 12% on the freaking day. Holy shit, look at this thing go. 2822 was the high at that top. That's what I like to see, man. Wow. That RSI is hot, dude. It's coming up to meet that MACD up here. I came to kiss the MACD and tell it hello. 87. Wow. Doge running on all four legs right now. All four cylinders. Pushing it. 28, 24. Pushing some more tops around. Let's get it. Bear. I didn't. Is it the where is it? Basic attention token. BAT. Let me know, man. Let me know in the chat if that's what you were referring to. Clown baby, come on, where's Miller time? Hey, Clown, did he came from Bulldog, right? I don't know where he came. I think he told me he came from Bulldog Trading. So another retest of 28 right here. Let's see what happens. That is also on Webull. Let's check it out. That's not it. Bat crypto, right? There it is. Bat. Whoa, I didn't even know this thing was on Webull. Check it out. Fun, guys. Let's check out Bat. And then, when did this thing get listed? What the hell is this? Oh, I'm sorry, OMG. I must have missed it. Yep. Down 3.61% on the day. I'm gonna have to look further into this. Is this getting listed? Wow. Let's go to 4-hour chart, break down some TA. 4-hour chart. So yeah, that just came up. Looks like on the 26th. Started showing the charts. Massive pump to 78. Possibly with this listing what caused that. Now you're seeing some pullback. A little bear flag right here. Look for a break to the downside. You got support at 65 cents. What price you got in that, bear? I think 72 to 65 is the channel you're in right now. 72. Even say 67 is pretty good. Yeah, I look for a bounce, possibly ride it back up to 72, man. I got you. I'm gonna check it out. I still got some research to do on the whole coin codex. But guys, yeah, OMG dropped that to us dropped it to me last night, and I like that little website, Coin Codex. So let me see this right here. Fun, guys. Another big runner on the week last week. Had some pretty weird stuff happen to it. Did have some sell-off. You are underneath that 50 and that 200 and the 14. So looking a little bearish right here, but this is a big runner from Friday. I do think you could get the volume stepping back in and shoot back up to somewhere. You know, it did hit high of 24 bucks. I think you could ride this back maybe to 14 bucks at some point, but watch it pre-market, kind of get a feel for it. It's going to have lots and lots of volume stepping into it, so it could go either way on you, but I do think Fun, my gut feeling tells me it's a pretty good buy, at least back to the $9 range, $9.50, and with that type of volume it's getting, there's no telling where it could go. But once again, guys, Doge is getting the bounce off that 14, looking pretty good right now, so hopefully we continue. 30-minute chart, did get the break out that ascending wedge we had, ascending wedge. My mind stopped thinking for a second, sorry. But you can see what happens when you get a break. The bulls are in control right now, so it's still looking very, very bullish right here. Hit a high of 28.24 before we came back down. So 30-minute candle, absolutely looking great. I'm looking for consolidation in this channel and then continue working our way up. Possibly if it continues to run and if Bitcoin closes above 60K, you'll probably wake up to 28 and above on Doge. So like even right now, I'd feel comfortable buying. I mean, I'm just being completely honest with you. Anything under 30 cents is an awesome, damn good deal for Doge. And that's the way I'm treating it right now. So 30 cents, I'll start scaling back, adding to something else because Doge hasn't ran yet. And while we talked about it, man, that's crazy that we called it. You know, we said last night there'll be a day where Doge is everything else is sideways, and Doge could pop, you know, up to 20%. We saw it get as high as 13% right there. So not spot on, but you know, I was expecting a pretty good day for Doge while everything else was moving sideways. Is that today? Why it didn't move as high as I thought, but that's still a really good return on your money. You know, as high as 13% on the day. So very, very cool to see, man. Very, very cool to see. Cool. I got in at 68. That's right where it's sitting. I think you're golden right now, dude. I think you could possibly ride it back up to 72 and look for a rejection point right there. Hope Webull says they're coming out with some wallets sometime soon. They are. They are talking about a degrade. It will happen, man. It's in the works. It will be here shortly. I would like to see them bust them out before Robinhood fully releases them. That'd be the best case. But it'll probably be at some point next year. Do you think it's a good time to buy ADA at 211? Looks fair enough. I do, Pearl. ADA is another one to be adding to your position anywhere between 208, possibly 205 to 215. You got 10-cent range right there. I would have a strong buy. I would be loading the boat. It's getting ready for a retest for $3. It's coming up. It's going to happen. And then ultimately, I would ride that back to a $3 range, look for rejection. But ADA is going to start moving here shortly. We got 1 week left in October, and then we're off to November. November's, like I said before, these hedge funds and these big corporations need to find returns for their clients for the end of the year. It's going to happen, man. Things are going to start to pop. It's going to look great. And then, possibly I'm thinking beginning of next year, we could have a little fallout. So we'll see. We'll see who's right. OMG said last night she predicts 6 months. It could be a 6-month run. Who knows? But it's hard to tell. Maybe a little pullback in January. Maybe could rip in February. Everybody gets their income taxes and stuff like that. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But right now, short term, guys, we got the green light to be loading the positions. So here we go, 2750 on Doge. Likes those even numbers. I like to keep it above it, consolidate. I was thinking right below it and consolidate. Either way, looking really, really good. Getting that break out that ascending triangle right here, that ascending wedge, and looking very, very bullish right now. What's up, Jay Rogers? How are you doing, my friend? So happy I kept my Doge. That's it, Jay. Thank you, man. Tell little Leo, man, if he's tuning in, I said hello again, man. Tell him I said what's up. I'm waiting for my little ones to get home shortly. They'll be here probably about 15, 20 minutes. So I'm not going to be rocking too late tonight, guys. Fun is another one to keep on your radar. The volume's there. The hype is there. I looked on Google Trends. Fun was one of the most trending things that day on Friday. People are looking for this thing. They're excited about it. Fun could definitely go on a rise come here Monday morning pre-market. So Fun, DWAC, BENE was one that Bear put us on. It's still up, went up, back up pre-market, aftermarket, 6.24%. Let's check out the chart, BENE. Working its way back up. I think it looks pretty good, pretty decent off the 5-minute, 30-minute chart, looking really, really good too, guys. It's hard to tell what this thing is going to do. I think that price action tomorrow will be absolutely really volatile. I think it'll start working its way back up. I have a feeling somewhere around 13 to 15 bucks we end the day. We'll see tomorrow. I just think the volume's going to continue into it. If it doesn't, and you get some break to the downside, $10 would be also $10.85 would be somewhere where I'd be looking to get in if I were you. What was that last one? BENE, DWAC. We touched base on Fun. Yeah, BENE was fun, man. That was a fun day Friday, man. I'm glad I got to stay home and report that with y'all. Really am. There was one more I wanted to look at. Maybe it was AMC. Guys, AMC. Okay, so look, I think this is a great buying opportunity on AMC, guys. I'm gonna be freaking blunt with you. I've been following AMC for 10 months now. I know the game. Let me pop that up. AMC. So this ascending wedge we had and descending wedge, we're gonna meet at this point. I know that's sloppy drawings, guys. I'm sorry. I drew this off a Whelm. I can shorten this up. I just freaking moved it though. I moved it. Oh well. It was pretty close where it was. But regardless, we got the break to the downside on Friday. hitting a low of 36.93 in the aftermarket hours. It is due for a bounce right here, I believe. I think you can play a pretty good bounce off of AMC back up to at least $40. I think it will happen this week. But if we come out the gate hard selling off, I don't think it has much to drop. $28. So right around $8, I think. And then before then, 32. You're going to find major support at 32 and then 33. But you're sitting on major support at 35, 36 right here. So be on the lookout for AMC. Definitely a good buying opportunity coming up shortly. I do think you can ride this thing back up to the 40 range. So be on the lookout for it. Love it. Thanks again, Matt. I bought ADA all day under 225. Just hell yeah, man. What's camera channel? KC? Kella C? CTRD? That was the other runner, huh? Why does it's not CRTD? I did the same thing the other day. Same freaking thing. That was that other so up 40% regular hours on Friday, down a little bit in the aftermarket. Definitely one that has volume. Did have a pump, a little bit of a pump and dump, guys, but it definitely has the volume. We'll keep an eye on this. 325 is where I'd feel pretty comfortable entering. 295 to 325, maybe around $3 if I do see it hit that low. I'm gonna set a alert for that stock tomorrow. That's CRTD, guys. Yeah, Doge is waking up, man. 2779. Definitely popping GP. Thanks for hopping in, man. I'm actually not gonna be on too much longer. I got the kids coming back from vacation. But thanks for dropping in, showing some love, man. Yeah, that's the same one that says Shiba's gonna be 20 cents by the end of October, man. Don't pay any mind to that. Don't give that channel any love, man. It's a bunch of scammers on there. Be careful with those. Ernesto posted that in the Discord, so if you're wondering what channel it is posted in the Discord. Just be careful with those. What's up, D-Gray? Why no little kids today? D-Gray coming in hot, showing some love. D-Gray, thank you for that super chat. Thank you, man. Yeah, they went on vacation, man. They've been going all week. I thought I had told you that. Maybe not, but yeah, they've been going. They went to Tennessee, then North Carolina, Georgia. Then they circled back on the Panhandle of Florida. Stay at the beach. I've been basically home all week. GP in the house. So yeah, guys, CRTD definitely something to be on the lookout for. Yeah, Bear, wherever you were eating pizza, man, that looks like the place I want to be. Look at this dude creeping in here. What's up, Ernesto? What's up, man? Look, happy birthday, GP. Everywhere you go, it's your birthday, my dude. What was the other stock I was about to look up? Oh, the Salem. Yeah, SALEM. I think me and Mr. Rick played this on Friday. Made some decent tendies on this thing. SALEM. Definitely looking pretty good. Might be a good buying opportunity if the volume continues stepping into this thing. You got resistance at $44.78, but a break above that, you can easily work your way back up to $5.50. So that's kind of a play I'm looking for tomorrow. I'm gonna be keeping a really close eye on Salem, and DWAC I think is set up. You know, if you can see 72 pre-market, I think that's a go. I might set a buy limit for 72.76, maybe 72.80. Make sure I catch it, and then I might play it from that round right there. But I did take some pretty good profits off of DWAC. I got out around 130, 140 on Friday. I bought in at 90. You know, I thought it was gonna keep going like always. 175, it was ripping and rocking. So just be careful with it. These real high volume stocks, you have to be careful with it. I don't know if you saw the post I put in the Discord. One of my buddies put 50K in fun, and then he got stuck on the way down. Luckily, he broke even, but he basically lost 100% of his gains because he couldn't get out. So just be careful, guys, on these high volatility stocks. When things get violent, it's hard to get out, in and out at a good price. So Bear. They be saying Shiba will hit $1 by Jan. Yeah, they got some outrageous numbers on there. Just be careful with them, guys. Yeah, and Ernesto, if you just tune in, man, Bitcoin needs to close above 60K because tonight's the weekly, and to continue this really keeping the bulls in charge right here, we need this 60K because last Sunday we closed at 60,000. So we want to hang on to this momentum and this level of support we have. And then I think we get the close at midnight, which is, close for me is 3 hours away. You got 3 hours to see what Bitcoin's about to do. If it does, I do think Bitcoin's going to rocket to 63 again, possibly tomorrow, which could put the crypto mining stocks into place. So keep an eye on that. You need to think that in the back of your mind. Bitcoin rocks. I got spare money sitting on the side. Let me hop in the HUT. Let me hop in the BITF. Guaranteed tendies right there. Just quick tendies off that Bitcoin move. So make sure you're paying attention to what's going on with the markets. No, I was talking about the super chat. Didn't see when I got upset. Oh, I saw a little dude dancing, man. I hope you saw him. Nesto makes me want to buy more, going to use that DWAC money for BTC. Yes, I was at the Flying Saucer. Okay, I got you. Yeah, I saw you drinking that October beer, man. That looked good. They got me in the mood for, like, I don't really like that Samuel's beer, but they got that October Fest, whatever it is. Kind of got me in the mood for something like that. Jay Rogers says, I see Bitcoin to new highs this week. I hope so, man. That close above 60 tonight would be super bullish for it. Continue this run. So we'll see what happens. Miller Time 22. There's the man with the plan. Doge is pumping, man. We're getting some pumping action. Never ever trust the Eagles. Keep SLVTF on the radar. It recently ran from 36 to 50. It's taking a breather right now, but we'll probably run again. Thank you, JR Blanco, SLVTF. SLVTF. Oceanus Resource. What's going on here? What's going on here? Here. Yeah, it could be due for a little bounce right there. Just briefly glancing at the charts. I think you might drop to about 41 and look for a bounce at 41 and then look for a point for a breakout above 49. That 4.9 right there level is going to be big for you if you're holding that. I would say 4.9 right there, 4.98. And then I'm going to just go off this last bottom right here, 33.05. 33.05. So trading in this channel, you are in a bit of a downward trend. That 14 hooking hard, though. This could definitely turn around really quickly tomorrow morning and start pumping. So I don't think you could buy this till after market opens, though, being that it's a penny stock right here. But definitely look for a turnaround first thing in the morning. That 14 is hooking hard, which led to that price movement all the way up to 49 cents from 33. Yeah, it looks good, man. Looks like it turned around. You did break this top right here. You had some healthy pullback. I think it gears up. Like I said, I think you'll see 40 cents, 41 before you take off again for another 49 retest. I would play it. Definitely cool, man. Thank you, JR Blanco. Yeah, I don't really like the Oktoberfest, but like those October beers, that's what I was referring to. I do like those October beers. Yeah, the Braves, man, they look good. They definitely did look good. So, pull back right here on Doge, 2750, guys. Solana above 200, looking good. Bitcoin, we needed to close above 60K where we're sitting. Shiba up 6% on the day, 6.5, sitting at 36. Bear, be careful with it. I know you bought some in today. Let's get those tendies, man. Let's hope we get a pretty good bounce. It keeps going. Shiba USD. So looking decent off the 4-hour chart. Looking to grab some stability, but we're not breaking these tops right here, 36, 37 quite yet. Maybe a little inverse head and shoulders forming. You might have did a really good play right there, Bear. Miller Time saying I'll be in Atlanta. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. But 7 o'clock, guys. I got to look to hop off tomorrow night. Catch us on the live stream. We'll be chilling. What's up, Seth? My boy, Seth. What's happening, man? Yeah, I do. I like the Amber Ales. Those are pretty good. So let's hope for inverse head and shoulders on Shiba. And then look for Doge to keep pumping. Doge is steadily going up. I expect that to continue for quite some time. Maybe we'll get above 28 and consolidate. It's going to look to come back down, though, after this pump and find some support. I just hope we get above 28, maybe rock to 28.50. There's not a lot really in the way. Pull back here. There's not a lot in the way of 29. I think you'll hit 20, right below 28, 75, and maybe consolidate within that range. Let's see what happens. We'll see in the morning where everything kind of hit it out. But tomorrow night, later, GP, thanks for tuning in, man. Jay Rogers, Ben Cadillac. Tomorrow we're going to do a little Discord thing. I will post it in there. And we'll be chilling, guys. So I can't wait to report tomorrow. Be on the lookout for Salem, Fun, BENE stock tomorrow, DWAC. Those are all hype volume stocks. So make sure you're watching them. Dogecoin, let's look for consolidation. I'm going to stick to what I said earlier. Underneath 27, consolidate. But it could rip up to 28.75 pretty quickly, guys. So we need to pay attention to it. Bitcoin, big close over 60K today when the charts reset is in 3 hours. If I'm up, I'll come back on, of course. But a big close over 60K today could shoot it, could shoot it back to 63,000. So that's what I'm hoping for. I'm looking for Ethereum to close over 41. Cardano starting to turn green. Look, we're getting some green popping on the board right now, guys. 3 hours from market close for the weekly close. Things are going to definitely heating up. I think it's going to be a great week. So remember, Bitcoin moves. Have your eyes on your crypto mining stocks. Those can make you some guaranteed tendies off the break. And OMG's bat saying, OMG is saying bat is going up. So look on that 72 resistance, Bear, for your bat play. Yeah, Ernesto, you too. Psycho Pearl. December is going to be a crazy, crazy month. It is, my friend. It is. Kella C, GP, everybody. Thank y'all for all the love, man. Really appreciate it. I'm out. I'll see y'all tomorrow. And if y'all need me, I'll be in the Discord. I can't wait to see what's going on. If y'all need me, hit me up in the Discord. If I'm up and I'm able, I see crypto running, I'll probably hop on again tonight. We'll see what happens. But once again, guys, thank you very much for tuning in to another episode of Mass Market, man. All love we got last night, dude. The video for me got over 400 views, over 40 likes. That's killing it. That's double what I aim for every night. So, man, thank y'all very much for all the love and support. And if y'all ever need anything, let me know.